Alright, so going into March 22nd, 2018, currently watching this crude oil price right here, looking for important levels. It seems like we're already kind of breaking this 64.60 area, going down to 64.20. Um, it does appear we might have a short opportunities coming into today. And we'll see. We'll also take a look for any buying opportunities as well. But you do have that range going into today. Let's see what else we can take a look at the 5-minute chart. So you have 64 as a level here, and you have 63.80 as a level down here, along with 63.60. Probably most important to this area, 63.50 area. So probably be looking to short into these areas, 64.20 down to 64, but I'll be also looking for the bulls to come in and try to take take control at certain levels here, and we'll see what happens overall. But yeah, 64.50 seems like a probable area. It's because there was previous consolidation here. Seems like we're might be doing a quick retest of 64.64 here. But could and then 65 is, I think, is pretty key to regaining, or a good opportunity to regain. So if we could regain 65, we could just keep control here and then probably move into 66. Then we have the S&P 500 futures. Already touching the 423.6 retracement area from this original consolidation here, and between 2750 and 2760s. Broke down from yesterday's consolidation area. Overnight, now bouncing off 2680. So I feel like the market is still is still processing the Fed meeting yesterday. So the market is still, I feel, very much processing the Fed meeting yesterday. So we are, anything can happen at this point. I want to say, I mean, actually, anything can happen at any point, always. But we still definitely don't know for sure if we're, just because we're so down here, whether we're gonna stay bearish or we can immediately go bullish and just skyrocket at 2750. But as of right now, we're starting to bounce off this 2680 area. We'll be looking to retest that. See, we have this area right here at 2700 as was support, now resistance to look out for. See if we can get any more information. I'll take a much look into space here, and seems like we have our a good area to play within. Just waiting for the right setup, or waiting for the setup to appear to where we could short from 2713.50, or look to either buy or sell to 2700. As we go along into today, we are now down couple days now, going to 3 days. Today's Thursday. So little many factors that could influence today's movement. So those are the lows we're going to be looking out for though. 2700 area, 2713. Let's get down a little bit further. Reclaiming 2716. A very important level, or a very much a well-respected level yesterday. 2716.50, 2717 area. Those are the levels we're going to be looking out for going into today on the S&P futures. Actually, let me try to focus quickly on what plan. Okay, so the number one hypothesis would be play off of a failure here to reclaim 2700, buy into 2700. If we reclaim 2700, buy into failure at 2713, buy into reclaiming 2716.50. And then to the downside here, the downside is not very clear for me. Wouldn't be able to quickly identify where to look out for, but apparently from the last low, 2640. I mean, losing 2680 would be quite important here, so we can tell. Got this area right here multiple times. Probably shorting 2680. That would be the next hypothesis. So that is the plan for today, March 22nd. Did I say 21st beginning of the video? Probably did.